So the boy yells it's here, but I don't know what he's yelling about. There must be something here. Let's go find out. Oh, there he is. Dude, what is that?
The Patrick's.
Is there something in there for you?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Look, there's a remote. Let's go.
All right, let's go pop it open and see what you're so excited about in there. What is this, Marcus? Did you order this from Amazon?
Yes, $20.
$20? Did you choose this yourself?
Yes.
Wow, what is it? Pull it out, bro. It's a rock crawler? A rock crawler, bro?
Yes.
Dude, that's a pretty nice size. It's not so huge, but it's not tiny.
It has
either.
springs.
I know. Let's look at the box right quick. What do we got here? We got 2.4 gigahertz remote. And built to last, all-weather fun. Wow, this thing is pretty awesome looking, dude. Look at that picture in the back. All right, well, let's crack this thing open and see what it looks like. Oh, they got that thing all zip tied. Whoa, check out this beast. What do you think?
It's awesome.
I know, look at it. It's such a good size.
I know.
Whoa, and it's so like springy.
Yeah, that's why it has springs.
Dude, this might be like the best $20 you ever spent.
Yes.
Check that out.
Oh.
It's a remote, bro. There's a couple different options you can buy. There's ones that comes with the batteries and ones that you got to put batteries in. So we got the one that you put the batteries in because it's a little bit cheaper. So if you want to not deal with batteries, they have one where it comes with the rechargeable batteries under here. So, okay, Marcus, looks like we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, bro.
I'll go bring one.
All right. So we're gonna open the remote first. 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Marcus. So we need 3 batteries plus 4 batteries. So we need a bunch of batteries. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 7 batteries. All right, so we got the batteries, 3 for the remote. We got Duracells. Hopefully they can make good power here. And I'll put the cover back on here. Let's see, this way. I'm gonna put on here. You put on yours. And let's see if it'll move around. Yeah, it's moving. Marcus is giving it a little spin before we do some rock crawling. Man, this thing is really flexible. All right, guys, so we're gonna look a little bit closer up here. So at the build quality. So we got shocks on each corner here, as you can see. I mean, it's all built pretty good. I mean, for the price, it's pretty amazing. These tires are very squishy, so they're pretty soft. Probably better if they were softer, but it's all right. So actually, let's look in here. The cab, the detail inside the cab, it's pretty awesome. You got yourself a steering wheel, seats, fire extinguisher back there. So then we got an extra wheel here that's just mounted for looks. So up here we got the whole assembly of the motor and everything. So I guess one of the motors turns, and I'm guessing the other one powers. So it's got dual motors. And here's where you adjust your steering calibration. So the remote is pretty generic. I mean, it definitely feels cheap, but you know, for $20, guys, I don't know. This is already a great deal. And this is pretty, you know, this is either one way or the other. It's not a servo, basically, what I'm trying to say. So you got your on and off switch here, a little LED. And that's pretty much it. Great. So let's make some videos of this thing climbing something. guys, so as you can see, this thing is very capable and it's so fun. Honestly, I never thought that $20 can bring so much fun, and it seems to be reasonably durable. So the remote is definitely on the cheaper side, and it gets a little bit tiring of pushing this thing because you gotta push it kind of hard, I guess. But other than that, it's not too bad, and it looks like it'll hold up pretty well. Like, it's pretty quality built. If you're looking for anything similar to this, then I would definitely recommend this for 20 bucks. If you do want to get the one with the batteries that recharge, maybe that's a better option, because we went this route because I didn't know how long they last. Usually kids just play it a couple times and then you throw away the whole thing, but it seems like this one's going to be used a lot. So yeah guys, big thumbs up for this thing, and if you want to get one, we'll leave a link in the description. It's on Amazon Prime and it's $20, so great deal, great bargain. So hope you enjoyed this video. Check out our other videos on this channel, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, like it, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.